It's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Guys, how are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day. Okay guys, I'm going to get into this video. I've got some beautiful polishes here from Born Pretty to Swatch. So I've done all the finicky parts. I've opened them all up. Now this one is CG 108. Ooh, okay. This is beautiful. So it's like a champagne gold glitter polish, and these are bigger chunks. They're not like your, well, there are smaller bits in there as well, but you could have this as a topper, or you could build this and have it, you know, a bit more opaque. So the next one we're going to swatch is CG 058, and let's have a look and see what this color looks like. Oh, this is the gray. I realized I didn't have a gray gel polish from Born Pretty, so it's good to have. It's a beautiful gray. You know, the opacity of this polish makes it a one coat coverage, and that is without any base coat on the nail. So the next one I have is CG 123, and that's, ooh, look at this. This is beautiful. So I actually just went for colors that I knew that I didn't have, and I love this. It's giving very berry, berry red. Oh, this is gorgeous, and I love the little the glitters in there. Oh, this is a stunning polish. So the next one I have is CG 126, and oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. It's another glitter polish, but this one has what looks like iridescent pieces. Okay, so that's one. This is one coat. It looks almost reflective. I have to really look at that. This is beautiful. You know, just like that. So the last one I'm going to swatch is CG 116. And, ooh, this is for all the purple. Now, purple is not a color that I generally gravitate to, but it's always nice to have, you know, at least one purple. But I love this purple, and, oh, wow. So I have a purple jelly rainbow cat eye. I'm going to try it with this and see how it looks. So on this nail, I've got this rainbow glass cat magnetic gel. It's 58115-6, or I guess RG06. And I'm just gonna use the magnet on this. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are my 5 random swatches. Now, I absolutely love every color, because these are colors I actually don't have. in Born Pretty, in my Born Pretty collection. So I'm really happy with it. That grey, it's just beautiful. Now, upon looking at this, I realized this is gold. This doesn't look like rose gold. It looks like gold. And I love this berry jelly polish, and that's with 2 coats. So it still, for me, stayed quite jelly. This one is absolutely stunning. I think Priya's got this polish. I really do, because it rings such a loud bell. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to use that. And then the purple. This is what we did. I used that cat magnetic gel, and I thought this looked beautiful on that purple gel. So yeah, I love this. I love it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mama Does Nails. Please feel free, guys, to use and share the discount codes on screen, and you can save yourself some money when you shop at bornpretty.com. All right, guys, that's it for now. Catch me in the next one. Bye.